Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a fan and light switch. Now, this fan and light switch on this refrigerator is not working. You see, now the light came on because there's something wrong with that switch. And here's the new one. I'll show you how to take it out and how to put it in. First thing you want to do though is take the plug out and disconnect the power. Here is the part number. It's for the BI series refrigerators, 77259. So let me get my ladder. I'm going to do this from the back so you can see. It's the new one. Let's get a little light. So on this switch, it goes in this way. And you see these two gray tabs here. One here, push that in, and you push that one in, and then you lift it up. So here's the old one. So you see that tab right there? You have to push that in while you're lifting up the switch. Alright, so that's how you take it out. Alright, so you need a needle nose pliers to pull these electrical leads out. Okay, so you get the new switch. You see the terminals in there, one there. Okay, so you just push them all the way in as much as you can, and you put this, line that hole up with the door right there, stick this under. This particular model has this cable here for the door dispenser. And then you push this in, open up the door, just like that. Push that in. You see that's how the door opens and closes. There. Right. So we'll plug this back in. There you go. Now the light works and the fan works. And that's it. That's how you change the light and the fan switch. By the way, if you're wondering what this switch looks like in here, this thing does come apart, and you can just replace this micro switch, which is available, is not available from Sub-Zero, but any electronic supply give you, get this switch now. Watch what happens when I push this plunger in. You see how it's not pushing this switch in? So when this switch gets pushed in, you can hear a little click there. The micro switch is good. What's bad on here is this switch is not pushing that in. So this piece is worn out, this white piece. And that's something that you can't buy. You're going to have to buy the whole switch. But I have seen situations where you could just change this switch because it just comes right out like that. See, it's just a regular micro switch, the same kind they have in the ice makers. So that's just FYI for you. I think this unit here should be turned this way because it was turned that way. So if we put that in like that, so you can see that sort of like a guide there, and push this in, put that back in. Still not working. See, that's supposed to be pushing that in, and so that when that gets pushed in, the light comes on and the fan goes off. So when when this gets pushed in, this pops out, the light comes on, the fan shuts off, and then when this is out, when this gets pushed in, the fan comes on. and then when the door is open, it pushes this in and shuts off the fan and turns on the light. So, obviously the switch is no good, and I'm not going to save it or anything like that. I just wanted to show you the inner guts. Sometimes when you can see how things are built and made, it's easier to diagnose them. Alright, so that's it for this video. We'll see you on the next one.